Hello and welcome. You're watching Newsx and I'm Vaishali Kohli. Now, the Election Commission of India, in separate affidavits in the Supreme Court, submitted that 95.65% of electors in Tamil Nadu and 99.77% in West Bengal have already been supplied with pre-filled enumeration forms, dismissing allegations of mass disenfranchisement. The Commission stated that it had already received back 58.7% enumeration forms and digitized them, while also dismissing claims by the opposition that there was up to 30% voter exclusion in West Bengal, as 70.14% completed forms had been received. The Election Commission noted that significant changes had occurred in the last 20 years, such as additions and deletions in the electoral rolls on a large scale over a long period. Urbanization and migration had also become a regular trend. The poll body also asserted that it had appointed 68,470 booth-level officers, and national and state political parties had 2,38,853 booth-level agents in Tamil Nadu. I have Sambhav Sharma joining me with more details. Sambhav, what more can you tell us?
Well, you have already shared a lot of details of the Election Commission of India's affidavit in the Supreme Court when it comes to special intensive revision exercise. Here are a few more pointers which I want to add on, where the Election Commission of India is called the petitions challenging the SIR exercise, especially in Bengal, as in a way speculative, politically motivated and highly exaggerated. This is exactly what is said by the Election Commission in Supreme Court when it comes to SIR in West Bengal. And Election Commission has also sought that these petitions challenging this particular exercise by the Election Commission should be dismissed, is what is said by the Election Commission. Election Commission has further said that it has all the powers under Article 324 of Indian Constitution, 325 of Indian Constitution, followed by certain sections of Representation of People Act, and hence Election Commission is conducting this particular exercise. If I talk about few pointers from this particular affidavit filed in the Supreme Court, here the Election Commission, the poll panel has said the powers to undertake such exercises are there in Indian Constitution, and it gives power to the Election Commission to conduct this exercise. Especially, Election Commission has quoted Article 324 of Indian Constitution, and it's a cooperative and participative exercise, is what is said by the Election Commission for SIR, and said that these are challenged. I mean, the challenges made to this particular exercise are misconceived in nature, and Election Commission is keeping all eye on the ground so that any single genuine voter should not be left out. And Election Commission is very serious about it, and these kind of allegations made are highly speculative and exaggerated, is what is said by Election Commission. So this was a detailed affidavit filed. This is a recent affidavit. In fact, there were many affidavits earlier filed by the Election Commission, where Election Commission had firmly defended this SIR exercise, and now again in defense of this exercise in West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, Election Commission has filed this fresh affidavit saying that all these petitions are speculative and should be dismissed. Election Commission is having all the powers under Constitution of India, especially quoting Article 324 and 325 of Indian Constitution. So this is a detailed affidavit in the Supreme Court on SIR by the Election Commission.
All right. Now, well, the government is set to make Sanchar Sathi, the digital safety